So what I'm doing here is I'm removing and adding and disabling some apps. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the settings and we're going to go to apps. And here it says, these are some of the apps that I've downloaded. Um, but when you actually do a download right there, it's not going to do anything. You have to go to the Play Store to search for these, unless you have them somewhere. But here we go. Let's go to the Play Store. And where is this thing? A little bit further down. There it is. So we're going to open it. And that takes us to the Play Store. And here we go. We got choices here. We got featured apps. Some of those, I mean, you can go all the way down. But for right now, let's see what it's showing here. Some of the apps, okay. And PBS. Let me get this one. So I'm going to install it. And this is out of the Play Store. And it didn't take very long. But there it goes. Should be pretty quick. Okay, and well, we don't want to open it. Let's go back and look at some more apps. Some free apps, I don't know, whatever they suggest. Here's, I've downloaded YouTube, featured apps, Stars, NFL Network, Fox Sports, Pandora for Music, Showtime, MGM Plus, unless you can get a subscription after you get these. If you don't get it through whatever cable you have, and if you're not using cable, then this is the way you go about it. And this is using the Sling, okay, a Sling box. So here we go. Keep searching forward. This happens to be a Sling box, and we're in it. And out of Sling, we're searching for apps out of the Play Store. So you can browse through here. Radio, music. Sometimes I have a TV and I have it running music. So, but for Sling, the Sling menu, here's some of the stuff by category. So, whatever, take your pick. And of course, entertainment is most common. But this is where you have apps that you can add to your Sling box. Stars. Sometimes you want to have it separate. Obviously, if you have a Roku, then you can go directly from Roku. But if you're watching on a Sling box, then this is how you get your apps out of the settings and apps, and generally the Google Play Store. So now there are ways to get some non-approved apps, and that would be to the downloads and to modify the permissions so that you can do that. When you have apps and you don't want to see them on your Sling menu out of the box, then you come in here and either disable it, or if it's already in here and you're going to use it again, you can come back and enable it, and just pick your app. Netflix is always a problem because when you temporarily turn it off, then you have to come back and enable it and disable it, because if you leave Netflix on, then and you don't disable it, you're always going to get it overriding your Sling for whatever reason that is. But you have to come back in here and disable it. But any other app that you want to disable, you come in here and see it. You know, those are the apps that I've downloaded and have not disabled. And I just disabled Netflix, and you see how to do that. Uh, so now you can get back into Sling automatically rather than go to Netflix. Perfect. And of course, within the Sling, then you have other choices, you know. But one of the obviously one of the reasons that this is done is disabling is because Netflix overrides Sling on your Roku TV, and it's just a nuisance. So you come back in here and you watch the things that you want to see on Sling and not have Netflix um, doing that. So there it is. Just go into apps and do your thing.